Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be unboxing my Tamed Wild box. This is my mailer. It's my second Tamed Wild box since their latest like revamping kind of thing. Let's see what we got. This is for September, by the way. Land of the Pharaohs giveaway. So I have seen them advertising this because I follow them on Facebook and Instagram. So Mavon. Oh, I love this paper. So pretty. Wow. Beautiful. Oh, I don't want to break it. Please. Straighten out. There we go. Okay. First thing I see is like a plant. Okay. I don't know if I should. It's a money plant. It says money plant. I'm guessing this is like, it's like a little peat, little thing, little seeds. Cute packaging. Travel essentials. Believe it or not, I have this bag, but I think it's because I've gotten, I don't know, this is my 19th Tamed Wild box. I love this bag though, so I am not complaining. This feels really heavy. Whoa. You know, I saw spoilers of this all week, which I hate, but this I thought was like the size of a bead. This is really big. Shiva Lingam. So I'm going to read about that in a second once I've got everything kind of straightened out. Got a little thing here. Little ribbon. I save everything. Got an amethyst pendant. Pretty. Mavon Artisan Tea. Contains black tea, orange peel, cinnamon, and natural flute flavoring. Black tea is known for its antioxidant properties, while orange is said to aid in migraines and head pain. For the mystics, this blend honors the turn of the wheel and the second harvest in the season of 3. Okay, let's read a little bit more of that. Shiva Lingam. A Shiva Lingam is a stone of duality and therefore a popular tool to utilize during or around the equinoxes. It's a representation of the cosmic egg and the vast potential available to those who achieve a balance of masculine and feminine energies. For this ritual, place the Shiva Lingam stone inside an empty container and cover with a small scoop of soil collected from your sacred space. This symbolizes the fruitful union of God and Goddess and the promise and potential for new life. It's heavy, it's big, it's really cool. Let's see what this says. Legend says that when a child is born, the earth creates a Shiva Lingam stone specifically for them. The individual will encounter their stone at a time in their life when it's most useful to them. These stones are helpful for those who struggle with the fear of losing their independence and individuality when in a relationship. The stone is reassuring to those in long-distance relationship as it naturally creates an intimate energy. Okay, this is a really cool item. Mavon tea or Mavon tea, I don't know. Black tea infused with orange peel and cinnamon come together to create our Mavon tea. This seasonal blend is inspired by autumn and carries an uplifting and mildly stimulating aroma that's perfect for an afternoon pick-me-up or pre-ritual brew. For this ritual, use a small amount of water, wine, or cool tea is an offering to show your gratitude to the recently harvested earth. Money plant. Incorporate the money plant into your indoor jungle to magnetize luck, prosperity, and good fortune. This plant, even in its seedless form, is a beneficial addition to any garden. If possible, choose a location in your home that allows you to be in daily contact with the plant. This will not only help you bond, but it will also remind you of the intentions you set forth today. In the second half of this ritual, place the seedling, biodegradable container included, inside of a larger pot. Fill with your favorite soil and compost before mixing in the dirt that's incubating with the Shiva Lingam stone. Amethyst necklace. Amethyst is considered both a stone of luck and wisdom. During the association to prosperity, perhaps the association to prosperity is partly due to this crystal's royal purple hue, but amethyst is also believed to instill deeper understanding and advanced cognitive abilities into its owner. Because this crystal awakens the third eye and illuminates the truth in all situations, try wearing this necklace when you need a divine nudge in the right direction. I guess the bag is just extra, which is really nice. And then basically it has a ritual. So here's the front. And here's the back. Very cool. I like this one better than last month, that's for sure. And I think because last month was a big change and it was kind of jarring. But I feel I can't stop holding this thing. It's so different from what I expected. It's really beautiful. It's really heavy. It's a nice shape to hold. I'm excited to try to grow a money plant. I'm not so adverse to tea since I got rid of quite a bit of it. And I've been trying to make a commitment to drink more tea instead of coffee in the afternoons. Because I don't actually like coffee. I like milkshakes that are coffee flavored. So I'm trying to stop that. This is a pendant. I like amethyst. It's pretty cool. And this bag is actually really cool. I have one already. I'll have to check and see like what the status of it is because I think it's a little bit beat up. But this is better than last month, and I really think that for the witch on a budget, or even just the pagan or eclectic or anybody on a budget who still wants to like have some crystals, have some tea, maybe a cute little witchy or eclectic item here or there, this is a great box. It's 20 bucks plus $5 shipping, so 25 bucks and you get a beautiful pick-me-up for your month. I'm definitely coming around to it. And I have more thoughts, but I'll put that in the side-by-side, which is going to be long this month. Sorry. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'm hopeful to get a quick video up tomorrow before we leave for camping about like some of the things that I'm harvesting on my property, but it's kind of hectic and I still have at least one homework assignment before I can go to bed. So we'll see how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We're getting so close to 700. Very close. I think we're like 6 people away. Or maybe less. I don't know. We'll have a giveaway when it happens. So stay tuned. Anyways, love you guys. Thanks for watching.